Okay, we have 3 types of red beans, 3 types of red bean paste. Red kidney beans, red kidney bean paste, red beans, red bean paste, Adzuki beans, Adzuki bean paste. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 3 types of red beans. The regular red beans, red kidney beans, Adzuki beans. I used a lot of bean paste to make Chinese dessert recently. The red sweet bean paste often used in the Chinese dessert as filling, like mooncake, steamed buns, and tangyuan, like sticky rice balls or mochi. Most Asian people call it sweet red bean paste, but it is not made from the red beans. It is made actually from the Adzuki beans. When you go to the market try to buy these Adzuki beans, don't look for the red beans because in the market, the red beans actually look like this. So it is type of red beans, but we call it Adzuki beans in the United States. You can easily find it from the Asian market or from Amazon. So I'm really curious about the taste difference between these 3 types of beans. The question is, can we use the red beans or red kidney beans instead of the Adzuki beans to make red bean paste? Let's find it out. Small red beans, red kidney beans, Adzuki beans, a cup of each. I'm going to soak them overnight. All the beans soaked for overnight. Drain the water and then boil each beans 30 minutes until they're soft and tender. Some water in the pan, enough to cover the beans. This is the red beans, red kidney beans, Adzuki beans. Now I'm going to use a blender, blend these beans. Adzuki beans first. High speed until it's really smooth. Medium-low heat. Put some oil in the pan. I used vegetable oil today. I personally don't recommend any olive oil or peanut oil. You can use butter because we don't want to add any extra oil flavor into the bean paste. To fry this bean paste until the texture is kind of dry. As you can see, it's not that wet anymore. It's time to add the salt and sugar. A pinch of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon, and a cup brown sugar. Keep frying the bean paste about another, I would say 3 to 5 minutes. Once you add the sugar in the bean paste will go back to the wet texture again. But don't worry, we're just gonna keep frying this bean paste until it is dry again. I fried this bean paste about another 5 minutes. Now the texture is about right. Use non-stick pan to fry the bean paste is way easier. The total frying time is about 15 minutes. Now I can take this Adzuki bean paste out and do the same for the other 2 types of beans. Red kidney bean paste. Red beans paste. You already can see the color difference. The red kidney bean paste is more like brown red, and a red bean paste is more pinkish red. Adzuki bean paste, dark red. When I scooped the bean paste out, I found out the red bean paste is the most creamy bean paste. As you can see the texture right here. See how creamy it is. And the next creamy one is red kidney beans, a little bit crumbly. Surprisingly, the Adzuki red bean paste is the most crumbly bean paste. I have some water on the side to wash out my mouth. Now let's do the taste test. Adzuki beans. Most of you guys already know what this tastes like. It is sweet, good. Next, this pinkish red bean paste. It is so creamy. This regular red beans contains a lot of starch. Starchy, similar like chestnuts. It's sweet, creamy, smooth, and starchy. It is very good. The last one, red kidney bean paste. You know what? There's two types of bean paste. Even their color is different. Red bean paste, red kidney bean paste. They are so similar. The taste, the texture. If you don't look at the color, you just taste these two red beans. They almost like the same. The Adzuki beans got this flowery taste. It's so sweet. It's perfect for the dessert. Can we use these two type of beans instead of the Adzuki beans? My answer is yes. These two type of bean paste are delicious too. The texture is a little bit different. They definitely creamier and starchy. And the color is not the great red bean paste color. But I think as long as it tastes good, right? Thank you for watching today's video. I found out today we can use the red kidney beans and red beans instead of Adzuki beans to make the red bean paste. I hope you liked today's video and I'll see you next time. Bye!